Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the upscale wig in the style straight 16 inches in color 613. This is a lace frontal wig, and you already know it's from my favorite online beauty supply, which is SAMSBEAUTY.com. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. It is a very nice quality wig. The lace is extremely light skin, which we're going to fix, but as far as the wig quality, very nice. I'm going to be watercoloring this wig slime green with two Adore hair colors, which is a very popular color that a lot of people are doing, so you know I had to try it. So I'm starting off with the Adore hair color in electric lime, a pot of hot water, and I'm doing 3 generous squeezes into the water. And then I'm going to take the Adore hair color in Clover, and I'm going to do a little bit less, just 1 generous squeeze. And then I'm just mixing that together with a hair brush, like a paintbrush that you use for dyeing. Then I'm going to insert the 613 upscale wig into this pot of green hot water. And then I'm making sure the wig is completely submerged, just pressing it down into that hot water with my hair dyeing tool. I'm setting my phone for 5 minutes, and when it's done, when 5 minutes is up, I'm going to remove the wig. And as you can see, woo, it's St. Patrick's Day up in here. It is super duper green. So I'm taking a little bit more of that brighter green, which is electric lime, and I'm actually going to put some of the dye directly onto the hairline and taking that hair dye brush and just brushing that into it. I wanted to make sure, because I've had experience in the past with watercoloring, that there is some blonde still showing. It did work really well with this hair, better than I've had any other experience with, but I did not want this green to get messed up because it was so beautiful. So I decided to add some of the dye directly to the hair and just brush it through to make sure there was no blonde showing. And as you can see, it turned out a very beautiful shade of lime green. This is what the inside looks like. I wanted to show you. It did not stain the lace whatsoever. How that happens, I do not know, but it does not stain the lace, this watercoloring method. It just turns your hair whatever bright, beautiful color that you want it to be. So after the hair has dried, air dried, this is what it's looking like. Can you believe this? Look at the color. It's perfect. So I'm going to start to cut this hair. So as I mentioned in the beginning, it was 16 inches long. It was just long. It just had no body, no shape. I don't really like that. So I'm going to do a blunt bob. As you can see, I did a deep side part in the front, and now I'm just cutting the bottom. What I do is just try the wig on, and I cut where I want the wig to lay when it's on my head. I take it off, put it on the mannequin head, and then continue that line straight across. I do it very blunt, so I don't really want any layers at first. I just want it to be straight around the same length. In the front, by the deep side part that I did, I'm going to lift some of the hair up straight in the air and cut it and then let it fall. That will create some sort of dimension to the hair, and that's what I want. So of course, I am not a professional hairstylist, but these are tips and tricks that I've learned from watching people on YouTube. It's true, you can literally learn how to do anything on YouTube, I promise you, because my cut turned out a bomb. So what I'm doing is taking my scissors and cutting vertically into the hair in the back. That's going to create some movement and body to it, and I did do that to random sections throughout the wig. And I'm also going to turn it to the side, some of the hair, and cut vertically up, at a diagonal up, and just let it fall. That's also going to create some layers. Now I'm going to go in with this plug-in Andis hot comb, and I'm going to use that to really flatten the wig to the scalp. When you do this, it really makes the wig look just more professional in my opinion. you gotta flatten it out and make it have those nice lines in it. I just love how it looks. It looks so cute. And I did pluck this hairline. It did come pretty nice already, the hairline, but because this is lime green hair, which is very unnatural, you want it to look like it's coming out of your scalp as much as possible. So when you do this with the hot comb along with a plucked hairline, it really makes it look, you know, it makes all the difference. And you'll see when I put the wig on. So now I'm going to show you how I bleach the knots with no bleach. I'm taking the Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs in the color Tan Glow. This stuff is amazing, and I learned this from watching YouTube also, but you can use this to tint your lace with no bleach. I've actually never bleached my knots because I never wanted to go through the process. I'm sorry, that's just too much for me. I'm lazy. So this is a lazy girl way to basically get that bleach knots type of look, even better than bleach, and you know, just make it look like it's your skin tone. And the Tan Glow is perfect for my skin tone. And what's even more amazing, they do have one that's one shade deeper than this. So if you have dark skin, I think it's called Deep Glow, it would be perfect. That is amazing. I'm actually going to use this stuff on my legs too. I want to know how it looks. But as you can see, I'm just spraying that all throughout the lace. And that's what it looks like. I did cover up the hair with plastic bags because I didn't want to get it on the lime green hair. I probably, in hindsight, would have done this before I styled the wig because I did not want to mess up how I styled it. So I was being very careful. So this is the finished look, guys. I love this wig, and I love how it went through the watercoloring process. It worked perfectly, which shows that this is a very nice quality wig. I did put this wig on with no glue to really show you how that Airbrush Legs product worked. It worked amazing. It would look better if I glued it down, but as you can see, even without glue, it turned out great. So I really hope you enjoyed this video once again, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you on my next video. Bye!